In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a waterfall workflow using a Gantt chart in Wrike. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. From your main dashboard, head over to your Ad Campaign area or the relevant project space where you want to build this workflow. This is your starting point, and everything we do next will live inside this space. Next, look for the option to create a new space or solution. On the screen, you'll see an area that's highlighted. Click that to open the space creation options. Here, instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to use one of Wrike's templates to speed things up and keep your waterfall workflow structured. In the Space Creation window, choose Create a Space from a template. This tells Wrike that you want to pull in a pre-configured setup. When the Solutions gallery opens, use the search bar that's highlighted on the page and type in the term shown in the video to find the recommended template. Once you see the template provided by Wrike, click on the one labeled as being created by Wrike itself. This ensures you're using an official, well-structured template designed for project workflows. On the Template Details page, click Use Template. Wrike will now generate a new space or folder structure for you, complete with predefined phases and tasks that follow the classic waterfall approach. When that's created, you'll be taken into the new space. In the left-hand navigation and main panel, you'll see several items highlighted in the video. Click through these to explore the hierarchy that was just created. You'll notice it's already broken down into key phases, such as planning and later stages. Specifically, click on 3 Execution to open that phase and see all the underlying tasks that belong to the execution stage of your project. Then click on 4 Monitoring to move into the monitoring phase, where you can track progress and performance. After that, click on 5 Closure to open the final phase, which is where you'll wrap up the project, complete deliverables, and close everything out. Now that the phases are in place, it's time to visualize them on a Gantt chart. At the top of the view, select Gantt chart. This switches your project into a timeline view, which is perfect for waterfall workflows because it shows tasks in sequence over time. On the Gantt chart, you'll see several highlighted elements in the video. Click on these areas one by one to adjust dates, expand or collapse groups, and examine dependencies. As you interact with these highlighted parts, you'll see how each phase and task lines up on the timeline, giving you a clear, waterfall-style flow from start to finish.